Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to disable TikTok restricted mode. All right, it is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and go to your profile. All right, once done, go to the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. Tap on it. In here, just tap on settings and privacy. All right, tap on it. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and go to the content and display section. Under this section, locate a content preferences right here. Tap on it. As you can see, restricted mode is available. And as you can see here, mine is turned on. To turn it off, tap on restricted mode. All right, as you can see here, you have a big red button right here, which says turn off. Just go ahead and tap on that. All right, what made you turn off restricted mode? Just go ahead and select your reason. For example, this one, didn't understand how it works. Hit on submit. Thanks for your feedback. Now it will require you for your passcode. All right, just type in your passcode, tap on next. And after that, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.